Hey e-commerce friends! What about Quora ads, Reddit ads or LinkedIn ads? Find out in this video. So one of our clients wanted to give it a shot after he read an article about the omnipresent remarketing. And we were like, hey, that sounds like a great idea, let's give it a shot. So what we did is we went to all of those platforms, Quora, Reddit and LinkedIn, and set up retargeting campaigns to get started. And see there, we were able to get some traffic back to our website. We were actually able to build out some audiences under the definition, for example, the last website visitors or the last page viewers and so on. And we were able to retarget them, as well as we were seeing some results in form of conversions, which is great. So just a simple test gave us a little bit more conversions and a little bit more success and a little bit more knowledge about where potential customers might be. So in the next step, we're testing out cold campaigns as well. So far, yes, we are getting conversions, but it's not in an amount comparable to Facebook or to Google Ads. We're still on it, we're still trying our best, but especially LinkedIn was very expensive. So from our case study, LinkedIn was the least favorable ad channel that was working. But we were seeing great results, especially on Reddit these days for this particular brand. It might be a completely different game for you and your brand and your product and your industry as well, but at least have a consideration and give it a shot eventually. I hope this tip is valuable to you. If you want more tips like this one, then go to our website at wonderads.agency and subscribe to our email newsletter. Until the next video, talk to you soon. Goodbye.